वरुण भाई यहाँ पे, वरुण भाई सामने, वरुण सामने, वरुण यहाँ पे, वरुण राइट, राइट, अरे यार वरुण लेफ्ट, वरुण भाई यहाँ पे, वरुण लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट, वरुण भाई लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट में लास्ट, वरुण भाई, वरुण स्ट्रेट, वरुण का सामने, वरुण सामने, वरुण सामने, वरुण यहाँ पर, वरुण अरे वरुण भाई वरुण सर इधर अरे सर वरुण सामने
Sir, you can start from here.
वरुण थोड़ा आ गया ना, वरुण थोड़ा, वरुण अजीत सर, वरुण सर दोनों सामने, सर वरुण सामने, हम लोग को आ रहे हैं वापस, दोनों आप लोगों को भी अंदर लेके जाएंगे।
नहीं मिला सर अच्छे से।
Hello. Okay guys, if you all actually wait for a few more minutes, if Pritam Da comes, I promise you he'll perform live for you all. जो कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं उनके लिए वो लाइव परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे जब वो आएंगे. बट कब आ रहे हैं? Sorry? I'll 100% dance. If he dances, I'll dance.
Such a good dance you saw.
Even
still,
there are so many people who've seen Sajid sir's one step he does, which I've seen you doing always.
yeah.
So once Dada comes.
अरे पीछे वो भी लगा दो ना, कैंडी वो भी दूसरे में लगाओ।
I'll tell him. Very nice. Thank you.
वरुण साजिद बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग गाना है, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है हर कोई हम करते हुए निकल रहा है ये गाना सुनते। What was your first reaction when you heard the song? क्योंकि जब परफॉर्म करना होता है तो फिर गाना भी वैसा ही चाहिए।
You know, honestly, when Dada and Rohit worked together for the first time, they did Subha Hone Na De. So when these tunes come and the Kacha tunes come, it's very difficult to judge what happens with the song. And I think then Pritam Dada put some stuff in it, and he got this electronic sound which is very current today in hip-hop music all over the world. So that all started coming in and the song just went to another level. And I think when they made Sajid sir hear it, he has one of the best ears you have in the industry today, and he has this reputation of having, no honestly, he has a reputation of always having hit songs, you know, whether it's been with Dad or whether it's been with Sabir.
Yeah, we are good, can't sing.
So I think the team of Rohit, Sajid sir and Preetham sir all together has come up with this.
How was it dancing with Jacqueline and John?
Oh, super. Jackie is a fireball.
John didn't dance. No,
Yeah. John did the
Intense
peck
look.
dance. He danced with his chest and his bicep. He picks her up. But I got to dance with Jackie and she's a tremendous dancer. I think she's immensely flexible, immensely professional, and I think the most important thing, she's very happy. उसको कुछ भी करा लो बहुत खुश है वो.
I think when the movie Dilwale was released, at that time you had continuously spoken about the piracy and the issue related to
Correct,
piracy.
correct.
And yesterday, this movie Ulta Punjab got leaked out, and the interesting thing was that it had a watermark which said for censor. What are your thoughts about it?
Honestly,
as an
I
actor
don't know.
And a son of a producer.
Just director, but I don't know about the whole issue. But all I can say that I think as an industry we are all against
Yeah,
piracy.
I mean, there's a FIR filed and it's a very shameless act. And it should not be taken as it's come from the censor. They have to find out.
Sajid
Yeah.
sir, and as a producer, how would you feel when such things happen? You know, how
It's a criminal offense. We've always, from the last 15 years, said that we should take out this word piracy and put it as a criminal theft. It's a theft. It's not piracy. Piracy makes it sound very cool. It's pirated. It's not pirated. It's theft. It's a proper thief enters in, and it's too dangerous. Already the film. But I feel this film has got a great scope, and now it will do wonders now.
Sajid, so
What do you say about the sick body objecting to the use of the record?
yeah, this has been going on.
I heard it. I don't know. There's nothing come to me. I read it somewhere.
You know, I'll tell
We
you.
shot it in Morocco. So
Yeah.
There's no question
There's
of.
no, it's not a kripan, it's an Arabic sword which has been used. And we've actually must be having it even in our peti or something so we can show it. And I'm a Punjabi myself. And so is my brother. So we would never do something like that. And I hope if someone is mistaken, it's a misunderstanding, I can say.
Now these controversies keep happening. Do you really think like it's really publicity that a movie, retard?
No, we have a team of lawyers now. It's become a habit for the last 1 month. There are stories about, like for Houseful, we had 6 people filing a case that it's their stories. And there is critics saying that there is no story in the film. so this is how it happens. So we've got a team of lawyers now for these controversies.
नहीं किसी के लिए नहीं कहा पर मैं डिशुम के लिए कहूँगा ये पिक्चर के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली जान दे सकता हूँ एंड बिकॉज आई रियली बिलीव इन इट एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने पायरेसी का इशू कहा सो इन द फिल्म वी डू प्ले कॉप्स मी एंड जॉन सो वी आर अगेंस्ट दिस इन लाइफ ऑल्सो एंड इन द फिल्म ऑल्सो वी आर देयर टू सॉल्व क्राइम वी आर देयर टू स्टैंड अप फॉर द गुड so we are playing these good characters that stand up for good things and I think for any good cause I would want to stand up and put my life on the line for any good cause you try to support do it
No, I read it till now.
They're all over the place for the last few weeks.
No, weeks? No, I read it day for yesterday.
Days at least.
Yeah, 2 days.
So in the movie we see that Virat Kohli's character is being sick.
Virat Sharma
Yeah, so does the real life Virat Kohli know about it? What do you guys have?
he knows about it he knows about it no he's totally cool with it I know Virat I'm calling him Virat I know Virat because we are on a team together the Goa FC in the ISL so I think when the film was being made also he knew about it and I sent him the trailer he saw it and stuff and he said as long as I'm shown as a good guy it's cool and he asked me if he's hitting any people I said no that no but he's totally cool
Desi Boy had a great music, and after Desi Boys, even this film marks the return of Ridwan and Preetham. So, what kind of album can we expect from this film, and how many songs are there?
No, he's got that DNA from his family. His dad, when he made a first film for me, Judwa, it was great music. Then he made Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, great music. He made Desi Boys, and same track is repeating. If you hear the other 2 tracks, you'll be amazed. We've got a great album.
How many songs are there?
There's about 3 to 4.
हर बार देखते हैं इस तरीके से गाना
Yes, why not?
When it comes to film promotions, आप हमेशा like हर event पे जाते हैं और always a big part of the promotions. But John, अभी हमें इसके आगे promotions में देखने मिलेंगे
So,
और इसी
डेफिनेटली देखने मिलेगा इट्स अ बिट अर्ली क्योंकि फिल्म जुलाई 29 को रिलीज हो रही है एंड वी आर स्टिल इन जून एंड जॉन इज शूटिंग फॉर फोर्स ही इज कमिंग बैक ऑन द 21st एंड देन ऑनवर्ड्स एंड सो इज जैकलीन कमिंग बैक ऑन द 23rd बट ये गाना हमें लॉन्च करना था एंड आई रियली बिलीव इन दिस ट्रैक इवन फॉर द ऑडियो एंड द विजुअल इन जनरल So I think Sajid sir said that we should do something. So we decided to do it with you guys. You know, we've shown you the song before the public or the Aam Janta can see it, so that you all get a taste of it and get an idea of it.
But it's quite an action-packed sequence, like the entire movie is quite packed with action. So any particular person or actor which you get inspired from?
Get inspired from who does really good action. I think we have so many action heroes here today. We have so many homegrown action heroes. I think Tiger is outstanding what he's done in Baghi. There's a sequence that Tom Cruise did in Mission Impossible where he hung off the plane for 6 minutes. So that was tremendous. So I can seek inspiration from that. And then there are so many over here like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Bhai, Akshay Kumar is amazing. So yeah, I get inspired by homegrown talent as well.
Varun, you have spoken about Hollywood. You dub for Captain America. You spoke about Hollywood films doing good business in India.
Yeah.
And even Vishnu is, if I'm not wrong, Vishnu is releasing with Gone, I think.
Yeah.
So do you see that as a threat or competition, or what do you have to say about that?
See, honestly, I can say is that I come from a family that loves cinema, and if you made a good film, it'll work, I feel. I mean, just see Sairat today, what it's done. And just on the basis of being a great film, I saw it that day and I was blown away. And I think if you make a good film, then it'll work. Nothing else matters.
वरुण, अभी आपने कहा कि गुड कॉज के लिए खड़े होना चाहिए, कोई एक गुड कॉज कंट्री के लिए जिसमें आप पर्सनली बिलीव करते हो और खड़े होकर आपको मौका मिले तो क्या होगा?
I think equality among any gender inequality is wrong. I think, and I think we are going through that revolution in our society where women are concerned today. Women are becoming more powerful. They are becoming a more important part of society today. So I'll definitely stand for that.
Varun, you're quite a versatile actor.
I hope so. I don't know. Some people tell me I'm not. Some people वो बदलता रहता है हर हफ्ते.
What is your personal choice, like action or comedy or romance?
My personal choice is good films. I think I just want to do good cinema, good films that entertain people. It's as simple as that. People can say that अरे ये मासी है, ये मसाला ये वो, but when films work, they work for a reason. Like Sajid sir said also. There's no people make the films work.
Varun, apart from Roots also, there are one who have been replaced as one of the biggest dark times have been replaced by Ranbir Kapoor.
I would not like to comment.
Varun, you also have Dream Tour coming up with Siddharth and Alia. How excited are you?
Very excited about that. And I think because like you asked also that what can we expect from the album. So I'm expecting that I get 2-3 more songs to perform from Dishum over there.
Somebody said the poster looks quite similar to Due Date. Is that Due Date, the Hollywood
Okay.
Which one? Dream one or this one?
No. I don't think so. I don't think either of us look like Robert Downey Jr. So, or Zai. I hope I don't look like that. No, I think it's just the walk. If you're walking, but there's no similarity.
Sajid sir, when can we expect you to announce the date of release of 2017? Because
Slate?
People have been asking for Slate for a long time.
because there have been reports that you are producing Sharam remake, you are producing.
Yeah, lots. Not ready yet with the slate. Let's finish this year's slate here.
साजिद, ये आपसे पूछना बनता है कि when CBFC controversy चल रही है आजकल, I spoke to many top directors, and they say that.
You didn't speak to me. Even I'm top. Okay.
No, directors.
Directors, yes. I'm the third director. What you saying?
First
the only debut to touch 200.
200 crores.
Very bad.
Okay,
Eh?
another big story.
हाँ, sir.
So what they have to say is that we don't curb our creativity just because of censorship, whatever they are doing in CBFC. We want to make the kind of films we have been making. But the thing is, we also think about our producers, our actors के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है.
Yeah, nobody thinks
like
about
Hansal Mehta and all this people say.
No creative director thinks about the producer. They think about the film. When I was a director, I didn't think about the producer. So they think about the film, and that is why they get hurt when something is cut, which is justified.
So you will always stand by them.
Of course you have to. I mean, when you sign them, you have to.
So actually, I wanted to ask कि सिख समुदाय के जो लोग हैं वो इस
One said, sorry.
सिख समुदाय के लोग जो हैं वो इस सॉन्ग को लेकर विरोध कर रहे हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि इस गाने को निकाल दिया जाए.
Once they see the song, they didn't see, they saw the clipping, and it's not it's a kirpan. But now, how do we explain that it's shot in Morocco between the.
तो आगे अगर वो लोग प्रोटेस्ट करें.
अभी नहीं करेंगे, I don't think so. They have not seen the song, so that's why they must be.
Yeah, they'll see the song.
Okay.
So, thank you guys. देखा तो है.
Whoever's not seen the song can come.
जिसने गाना नहीं देखा है आके आप लोग अंदर मैंने कहा
I'm asking for the link. I still come out.
Just. We are waiting. I'm just coming back.
लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट यहाँ पे सर लेफ्ट सामने दादा आपके राइट में
दादा थोड़ा सा इसे
आपके लेफ्ट में दादा थोड़ा सा दादा थोड़ा सा करो लेफ्ट
अच्छा विजुअल यार वी वेटिंग फॉर वरुण उसके पहले गाना वाना गाना तो गा देता हूँ मैं वो हैंडसम लोग के पीछे मुझे भी हैंडसम लगे
दादा आपके राइट में दादा दादा लेफ्ट में दादा सामने एकदम दादा दादा सामने एकदम सामने लेफ्ट एवरीवन सामने राइट राइट सर यहाँ पे वरुण वरुण लेफ्ट वरुण वरुण दादा
क्या रे इधर से ले लो बजाएंगे दादा
हेलो दादा
मिलेगा लाइव अरे टीस मेरा मैं
कम दादा हम लोग अभी कर लिए दो बार कर चुके
उसके बाद आप थोड़ा सा बुलाएंगे
हाँ मैं गाऊँ ओके
एक मिनट साइलेंस करो
साइलेंस ये बैकअप
अच्छा ये बहुत इजी है गाना के लिए ये गाना आप लोग भी गाओ ना हमारे साथ
हाँ वी नीड योर हेल्प
हाँ एवरीबॉडी फुल कोरस बोल देता हूँ 100 तरह के रोग ले लूँ इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे दूँ कहने में हर्ज क्या है ओके बहुत सिंपल ठीक है
क्या बात है दादा
वाह
नहीं गिटार नहीं मेरे को भी खुद वीडियो ले
एक मिनट स्केल देख लेते हैं
साइलेंस हाँ गाइस
एक बार गा देता हूँ मैं फिर आप गा देते हो
मिलन का फोटो लिए नहीं
थैंक यू
गाइस
थैंक यू
क्या भाई
अरे कोई पूछ नहीं रहा क्या भाई ये समथिंग टू फील भाई
कुछ खाने में उठ के नींद से उठ के आ गया
सॉन्ग सबको बहुत पसंद आया है गाते वक्त जब सॉन्ग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड चल रहा था तब डांस वांस कर रहे थे ये लोग सिंगर्स या अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड किया? हाउ वाज इट व्हाइल रिकॉर्डिंग द सॉन्ग?
ओ ये गाने में बहुत मज़ा है। पहले मैं बोल के रखूँ कि रोहित के साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया। मैं हमेशा ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि कोई भी फिल्म का म्यूज़िक इज़ अबाउट द कोलाबोरेशन विद द डायरेक्टर। और रोहित के साथ मैं पहले देसी बॉयज़ किया हूँ, उसमें भी काफ़ी देसी बॉयज़ टाइटल सॉन्ग्स, सुबह होने ना दे, सुबह होने ना दे, आज भी क्लब एंथम है। तो रोहित इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड उसके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया। एंड आई ही इज़ अ वेरी म्यूजिकल गाय। और ये गाना एक्चुअली मेरा बहुत दिन पहले से कंपोज किया हुआ था, और द हुक पार्ट। और रोहित जब ये सुना उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा और बोला कि मेरा सिचुएशन में परफेक्टली फिट होता है। और पहले गाने का लिरिक्स था 100 तरह के रोग ले लूं, इश्क का मर्ज क्या है, तू कहे तो जान दे दूं, मर जाऊं हर्ज क्या है, ऐसा था। बट उसकी जगह जो ठीक लगे कहने में हर्ज, आजकल का लव ऐसा हो गया, कहने में हर्ज क्या है, तू कहे तो जान दे, तू कहने में हर्ज क्या है। और
वही चीज वरुण पे सुनती रही है।
हाँ, कैरेक्टर जुनायद का जो कैरेक्टर है वो कैरेक्टर फिल्म में भी शूट होता है। ऑफ कोर्स वरुण में भी बट आई थिंक वरुण इज अ वेरी सीरियस गाय।
ग्रेट सॉन्ग, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
हम लोग टाइम पे थे 10 बजे से।